just nice and juicy. Basically, when you're using a double rig, you can cut segments into it, not through the backbone, but it makes it bleed a whole lot more.
As you guys can tell, we're throwing out some big baits, trying to catch some big fish. He's got some double hook rigs on his, and I've just got my standard rigs on mine, as you just saw a few seconds ago. So there's bound to be some kind of big fish in this water.
Oh, yeah, there you go. There's a striper. Get him, boy. There you go. Boom. Don't thumb it.
Huh?
Don't thumb it. He ain't made a big run yet.
Oh, I know. He is
There you go.
definitely not moving. We're gonna get another line here.
See if you can find him there. I'm gonna get you a cool sunset picture.
These guys will definitely test my gear.
What you got there, Billy?
Big fish.
What you got there, Billy?
Oh, he's already on top, so maybe he's puckered out already.
The bigger ones usually come to the surface.
Yeah,
We may have another run in them.
maybe. It's what we came here for, big fish. May not be a catfish, but hey, they're fun to catch too. As long as we get it back in the water quickly.
You got a catfish hitting this down line. The head bait on it.
Mm-hmm. Still there?
Yeah, he keeps hitting it. Probably a little channel catfish. Mummifying it. It'll look like a skeleton once we get it up.
There's a nice one.
Good one? Cool. I'll be the net man tonight. Oh yeah. Come on up in here.
Got him?
Good job. Yeah. There you go. 20 something.
Yeah.
Good one.
Jeez. Nice striped bass. Big guy. All right, gotta get this guy back in the water real quick.
A few moments later.
Got a big one on.
Old skipjack.
That's a whole skipjack?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gotta be a pretty big one.
Man, he's running.
coming up a river?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Not big as I thought.
Got it?
That's a big one. That's a real big one.
Now that is a monster striper.
Good one.
All right, we're going to get him back in the water as quickly as possible.
When you're releasing them, you want to get their head upstream in the current like this and move them back and forth.
Yeah, we decided to do this instead of the other method because the water is a little bit warmer than we expected. And I'm not getting a good picture of this.
How's that?
There we go.
That one's
That is a big fish.
yeah, that one's high 30s.
And we're in really good current right now.
Look at the shoulders he's got.
Yeah, that's huge.
See how he's starting to get.
Yeah, he's getting antsy. He wants to take off.
One thing you'll notice too is top fins up here, they'll start poking up. See that? See
Yeah,
how
he's
kicked his
kicking.
fins? Yeah. Gone. Just like that.
Took off.
Yep.
Cool. Another big bait put out there. Now we didn't have the lights on because we're getting a whole lot of bugs with these filming lights on. So sorry guys, didn't get that takedown. And we may not get future takedowns either. But hopefully we can catch some more big fish. Some more big striped bass. What I'd really like to see is a big 100-pound blue cat. But we might be a bit early for that. All right, we have lost the current. It has just gone away, and we've sat here for, I don't know, an hour or so, and no bites, and a couple of our rods are hung up. So I think we're done here tonight. Hung up? Or you get it unhung? Okay, got it unhung. Hopefully we'll be able to get these unhung and not lose too much gear. But we're going to reel these up and head back to the ramp. It was a pretty good night. That one fish that he caught was absolutely enormous. That's a really, really big striper. We're thinking probably in the 40-pound range. We probably should have weighed it, but we wanted to get it in the water as quickly as possible.
What? 30, at least 30.
At least 30.
Yeah.
Anyway, I want to thank you guys for taking your time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it. And I'll definitely see you next time.